The Rose Quartz fountain here at Crystal Castle, the TikTok video was the most popular we ever did. I think by now almost 10 million people have been viewing it. And then people asked if it fades, and we said no, never fades. The Rose Quartz, been here 15 years or so. It's all perfect. But we didn't tell another dramatic story where we had this installed here for many years, and we came in one day and the giant bowl that contains and holds the entire thing was starting to crack all throughout, even though it was like custom made. So we had a bit of a disaster, had to bring the giant crane back, lift off 1.5 ton, 1,500 kilos. It's about 3,500 pounds of rock and ball tied together carefully above the building, above the trees, and put it aside while we replaced the bowl. So it was out of action for a few months, and then reversed the whole thing, got it made in GRC, glass reinforced concrete, really strong, very light, and then put it all back together again. So that was the story of the Rose Quartz fountain. It's had a few episodes, but here it is.